This is a short, easy story about a lost cat. Don't worry, you already know almost every word. So relax, listen, and follow the cat. Ready? Let's go. Biscuit was a small ginger cat. His boy was named Sam. Biscuit and Sam were best friends. They played every day. At night, Biscuit slept on Sam's bed. Biscuit loved his home. He knew every room. He knew every path in the garden. He could always find his way in the dark. To find your way means to find the right path to a place. But today was a big day. The family was moving to a new house in a new town. There were boxes everywhere. Sam picked Biscuit up and gave him a hug. "Don't be scared," Sam said softly. "Our new home will be nice." But Biscuit did not know this new place. Soon he would need to find his way all alone. That morning, the family put the boxes in the car. Then they set off for the new town. To set off means to start to go somewhere. The drive was long, but at last they arrived. The new house was big and empty. Everyone carried boxes inside. Sam put Biscuit's box down by the open door. Then a big truck went by. It was very loud. Biscuit got scared. He pushed open the box and jumped out. He ran out the door and down the street. Biscuit set off, fast and afraid. He did not look back. He just ran and ran. Sam did not see him go. When Biscuit finally stopped, the house was gone. He was all alone. Biscuit looked around. Nothing looked the same. Nothing smelled like home. The streets were new and strange. Biscuit was far from home. To be far from home means to be a long way from the place where you live. He sat down under a bush. He felt small and scared, but he thought about Sam. He thought about his warm bed and his family. "I want to go home," he said in his little cat voice. So Biscuit made a choice. He would look for his family. He would not stay here alone. The sun went down and the first day ended. Biscuit slept under the bush, far from home, and dreamed of Sam. Let's stop and look at our first 3 phrases. First, find your way. This means to find the right path to a place. Biscuit knew his old home well. He could find his way in the dark. Second, set off. This means to start to go somewhere. The family set off for the new town and Biscuit set off too, running down the street. You can say, "We set off early." And third, far from home. This means to be a long way from where you live. Poor Biscuit was lost and far from home, a long way from Sam. Let's say them again. Find your way, set off, far from home. Now back to our story. The next morning, Biscuit was hungry. He walked and walked. Soon he smelled something warm and sweet. It was a little bakery. A kind baker stood by the door. She saw the small cat and smiled. "You look hungry," she said. She put down a bowl of warm milk. Biscuit drank it all. Then she gave him a soft spot by the warm oven. The baker looked after Biscuit for a while. To look after someone means to take care of them. Biscuit felt warm and happy, but he still wanted Sam. Soon he stood up, said thank you, and walked on. He had a family to find. Biscuit walked on through the town. Then he came to a big, busy street. Many cars went by, fast and loud. Biscuit was a little scared. He did not run. He was a smart cat. He sat and waited by the road. He watched the cars. He waited and waited. At last the road was quiet. No cars were coming. Biscuit ran across as fast as he could. He reached the other side safe and sound. Safe and sound means not hurt at all. Biscuit was safe and sound with all four paws on the ground. He took a deep breath. Then he kept going. He was one step closer to home. On the third day, dark clouds came and the rain fell. It was cold and wet. Biscuit was tired and sad. He wanted to give up. To give up means to stop trying. But Biscuit did not give up. He kept walking in the rain. Far away, Sam did not give up either. Sam walked the streets and called, "Biscuit, Biscuit." That night, a kind girl named Mia found Biscuit. He was wet and cold. Mia took him under her porch. She dried his fur with a soft towel. She gave him a warm box for the night. In the morning, Biscuit set off once more. On the fourth day, the rain stopped and the sun came out. Biscuit walked down a new street. Then he stopped. He smelled something he knew. It was Sam. Then he heard a voice. "Biscuit, Biscuit." Biscuit ran toward the sound with all his heart. He turned a corner, and there it was, the new house, and there was Sam in the garden. At last, Biscuit had found his family. At last means in the end after a long wait. Sam saw Biscuit and cried out with joy. Sam had missed Biscuit so much. To miss someone means to feel sad when they are away. Biscuit missed Sam too. He jumped into Sam's arms, safe and sound. Now let's learn our last 5 phrases. First, look after. This means to take care of someone. The kind baker looked after Biscuit. She gave him milk and a warm place to rest. Second, safe and sound. This means not hurt at all. Biscuit crossed the busy street and reached the other side safe and sound. Third, give up. This means to stop trying. Biscuit was tired, but he did not give up. Sam did not give up either. Fourth, at last. This means in the end, after a long wait. At last, Biscuit found his home. And fifth, miss someone. This means to feel sad when someone you love is away. Sam missed Biscuit every day, and Biscuit missed Sam too. Well done. You learned all 8 phrases. So that is our story. Biscuit the cat got lost in a new town. He set off to find his family. He was far from home, but he did not give up. A kind baker looked after him. A girl named Mia dried his fur in the rain. At last, Biscuit found his way home, safe and sound. Sam had missed him so much. Now let's check what you heard. Answer these 3 questions out loud or write them below. 1. Why did Biscuit run away from the new house? 2. Who gave Biscuit warm milk? 3. How did Biscuit feel when he saw Sam again? I would love to read your answers. Thank you so much for listening all the way to the end. Stories are a wonderful way to learn English. Little by little, you get better every day. Did you enjoy Biscuit's journey home? Then stay right here with me. Our next story is ready for you now. It will take you to a new place and a new adventure. Just tap the subscribe button so you never miss a story. Then let the next video play. Keep listening and keep learning. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.